Today we bring you an innovative equipment, anti-drone flashlight. This product is small in size and easy to carry, with strong light flashlight function, drone-driven away and forced landing function. Widely used in government or military units, large-scale events, performance security, secret units and other places. Flashlight function. After the power on, press the flashlight switch to turn on, and press again to turn off. Drone-driven away function. After power on, press the R key, and the transmitter is aimed at the drone that needs to be driven away. Drone forced landing function. After the power is turned on, press the R and G keys at the same time, and the transmitter is aimed at the drone that needs to be forced landing. Battery charging. Take out the charger, connect one end to the battery to be charged, and another end to the mains. The charger lights up red while charging, and the charger lights up green when fully charged.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.